Good morning. Hey, wakey wakey. Wakey wakey. Morning. Last day in Fukuoka. We will go home now. We're going to check out and then leave our luggage here. Kasi 8 p.m. pa, no? 8 p.m. pa yung flight natin.
Yeah, and what time is it?
It's 8:13.
Okay. It's time to take a bath.
Yep.
Okay.
Morning.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
It's our last full day here in Fukuoka. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Huh? It was cold. It was really cold. I don't wear jacket. I thought it's hot. Right, so we are here again in Yodobashi. So MJ will get her what? So she's scared daw. So we'll look around, okay? So later we'll update you. So actually we still have one full day. Maybe at least until 4 p.m. to roam around Fukuoka. So and it's 10 a.m. now. So we'll surely have a good lunch today. So we can try the other things that we haven't tried it yet. We haven't tried yet so far. Okay? So we'll update you later. Malaki difference. 256 sa 512, di ba?
Ito.
So what's that?
iPad.
Unboxing?
Oh my gosh. Why are you putting the mic there?
So are you that happy?
Yes, thank you.
Looks like.
Well, why wouldn't I be happy? And
Then
that'd be
your
a crazy
happy
person.
bar is too high. Fully
Yes.
full load. Full charge.
I mean, who wouldn't? Like, it's an iPad. Like, that'd be crazy if you're not. How do you just pull it? Oh, I don't know how to unbox. Oh my god.
Wow.
Well, how do you do this?
Put it back in.
Yeah. How do I do this? Yeah, because I like purple.
Yep. You just need to open it and see if it will open.
How do you open it? Oh, okay. I have no idea how Apple works. I'm used to Samsung. How do you open this? I can't-
Press. Long press.
Oh, long press. I don't know which button to which button. Or maybe.
Ano lang din. I'm just checking what's inside. Just check what it is.
Charger.
To send the keyboard.
Yeah, charger. And what's that plug?
Oh,
The plug.
there.
Charger and plug.
English. Select your country region. Philippines, right?
Philippines.
Where's PH? Where's PH? Oh, I didn't. Ooh, sorry. No,
Then, what's that?
It's the pencil. It's the Apple Pencil. It's the Pro. Yeah. Update now or update later?
Update now.
I disagree. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to open. I'm so bad. I only know how to unbox LOLs. Remember my old videos?
From LOL to iPad.
Oh,
Dati mura
from
lang.
Shopkins
From
to.
Shopkins to.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I got
So how to charge that? Just attach it there.
Yeah.
That's the reason why we bought that one instead of the USB model.
So it's easier to charge.
Yes.
Oh. First time
Yeah.
to get the real one.
Yeah. I always get stylus.
Dahil
Stylus doesn't need charge though, but this is better working.
downloading.
It's 27
So,
minutes.
That's 31 minutes.
Oh, now it's
this-
21 minutes.
Can't believe I upgrade
what can you say about MJ's new
New toy.
gadget?
Yeah, as long as you use it wisely and
I'm gonna be drawing on this one.
just do the drawing and not the other stuff.
Yeah.
That would
Okay. What will you say to daddy?
to mom.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'm not good at expressing stuff.
Okay, welcome.
I'm not good at expressing gratitude. So I'm like super happy.
Happy? Mukha nga. Happy ka talaga.
Okay.
Okay. Aba. Later ulit.
Later.
Okay, so punta kami ngayon ng Ohori Park. That's the last hurrah before heading to the airport. Yan, nakarating na kami. Babay na si... Doon na kami sa... pala. Ohori Park. Next station pala tong Akasaka. Okay. Malamig ngayon. Windy at saka mas lower yung temperature compared to the last 6 days since dumating kami. Kaya naka-jacket. Nakapag-t-shirt lang ako eh. Nainitan ako pag naka-jacket eh. Pero ngayon medyo malamig siya. Hindi kaya ng powers. We are here and we are going
So,
there. I think
you want to go here first?
whichever. Which is
This is the park.
okay. Let's go to the park first. Yan. Nandito na kami sa park. Tanghaling tapat, nagpa-park. Kasi, ganun talaga.
And see, you know that we're in the park because you see that letter P? That's park.
Parking.
King.
So, I think kung gusto mo ng mga ganitong vibe, ayaw mo ng city, magulo, pwede ka dito mag-book. May hotel din dito eh, na malapit. Pero expect na mas mahal. And medyo mas
When you go around,
well, there's still subway.
yeah.
And you can also, pang mayaman, mahirap din kasi yung transportation. Tsaka mahal, diba? Kung palagi ka rin pupunta dun sa pinaka-main. Pero hindi to pang first-timer na lugar. You will only enjoy a few, a very small percentage of Japan.
Look at that.
Especially kung hindi ka lalayo. Kung hindi ka pupunta ng ibang prefecture tayo kasi nagpunta pa ng Nagasaki, Beppu, ay ng Oita, diba? Kumamoto. Pero kung Fukuoka ka lang,
That's Oita Prefecture.
ayan yung famous bridge daw. Na kapag nagtumawid ka, makakatawid ka dun sa kabilang side. Ayan.
Yeah.
Sa
Makes
Swan.
sense.
Oh, MJ used to be your favorite.
Playground?
Playground.
Yeah, I remember.
Tingnan mo dito, pwede ka talagang jogging. Meron talaga siyang Tapos meron siyang yung mga mahilig mag-exercise. Katulad ni Daddy. Charing!
That's a joke. He doesn't.
Look at the flowers.
Look at that.
So
Look
pretty.
at the fish.
Oh, tingnan nyo yung kanal nila. Pwede kang mag-swimming. Alam mo yan, seaweeds yan.
Yeah, I know.
Gusto mo?
No.
Yan yung nilalagay nila sa miso soup.
Bawal daw fishing. Oh, sayang.
Tingnan mo, ang daming flowers. Oh.
Obviously not.
No fishing daw. No fishing.
Oh, look at that. So, tulog siya. Nag-sunbathing siya.
Kitty.
Ang daming isda. Nilalabanan nila yung current ng water current. Bakit kaya nag-exercise sila?
No, otherwise they will be
Push
to the other
away.
side. Yeah.
Ang hirap nun, hanggang mamaya yan. Oh, may butterfly MJ. White. Yep. And
Boat house, Kohori Park.
you want to ride a boat? Magbo-boat pa ba tayo? Wag na. Mag-upo na lang tayo and let's enjoy the view. Turn it off. I don't think, baka madala ka sa dagat. Oh. Look at that. Wow. I'll buy that later. Pag nakahanap ako ng upuan, gusto ko ng So, tawid muna tayo sa other side. Kaya mo pa ba, MJ? Baka hindi mo na kaya. Kasi nakatakong ka. Tiis ganda ka ngayon. Para kang si Ninang Marge. Nag-Paris. Nakatakong. Haha. Tiis ganda. Iyak ang paa. Wow, ang ganda ng flowers na yun, oh. Yeah. Ayan, ang lamig dito, ang hangin. Bumabaliktad
Hangin pa sa
ang...
labas?
Baka yan lipa rin pagdating natin sa bridge. Huwag mo na
When
yung...
we cross the bridge, I'll close this one.
Akala ko, you'll burn the bridge when we cross there. Nice, diba? Deads na yung ibang flowers. Kasi, halos patapos na yung spring. Pero kapag mga March, yun, magaganda sigurado yung flowers. Mga yun, yung flowers ng... Yan, ang ganda. Tingnan mo, magkakross kami sa bridge. Yan, bumalik na siya. Okay. What? Ang daming bernice. Fish? Pinapakain sila ng bernice? Di takot yung mga kalapate sa tao dito. Kasi alam nila, mababait. Walang gagalaw sa kanila. Ayan, oh. Ang dami, no? I think the reason why they're doing that, they're getting nearer here. I don't know. Baka nakakakuha sila ng food kasi dito. No? Ang dami, oh. So, we'll take photo for... Let's have some pictures first. Punta kami dun sa, yun, yung may kubo na yun. Dun daw ang famous photo spot dito sa Kohori Park. For sure may pila yan. So windy. Okay. Maganda yung place. MJ, galingan mo ah. Ano daw yan? Galingan mo fishing is prohibited. Beware of falling. Oh my gosh. We'll see if this is the line. Naupo muna kami dito sa park. We're enjoying the view. This is lake, right?
Yes. No,
Is it man-made?
They call it pond.
Pond? Oh,
Kokori pond.
ang laki naman ng pond nila. Ang daming fish saka turtle, no?
Kokori pond.
Okay. Samantalang nabubuhay talaga kasi actually lahat ng mga animals dito, birds, lovebirds, ano pa ba? And then not lovebirds, ano ba yun? Dove. And yung mga crow ba yung mga itim? Ang lalaki, no? Crow. Ang lalaki ng crow dito sa Japan. So, ayun, no? Well, I think that's pigeons yan.
Ayun, sa likod mo.
So, dove and pigeons are different?
Yeah, that's a pigeon.
Where? Giniginaw siya.
Yeah, giniginaw.
So, talaga, I thought dove is kalapate.
Yeah.
So,
I think it's the same. Dove, pigeons.
okay. Yan, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng view. Oh. Diba? Could have been perfect if you're munching on something.
Like what?
Like food. But we are going to our ice cream.
We're going to eat sushi first.
Yan. Sushi, where are you? Di ka tulad,
I think that would be the Fukuoka Castle ruin.
where? Pag pumunta ka doon sa other side,
Yes.
are we still going there? Ay, that's the castle?
I think so.
Yun na yun?
I think so. Let me look at the map.
Hmm.
I think so.
I'm good here. Tingnan mo, walang nagsaswan, tumasakay sa boat. Mainit eh. Tsaka mahirap pedal. Pa ako sa kadalin, ang lamig eh. Man-made kaya to? So, ang ganda. Ang peaceful dito.
Maginaw nga lang.
Buti na lang, binalikan natin yung jacket. Ayan, pwede naman. Naka-jacket naman. Pero feeling ko kung di ako naka-jacket. Si MJ giniginawa, paano naka-shorts?
Biniginaw ka na, mama.
Naka-skirt siya. Naka-socks lang siya na mahaba. Anong oras na ba? Time check. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. After namin mag-Ohori Park. Hindi ko alam kung magka-castle pa kami. Parang hindi na ako interested magpunta doon sa castle. Something to check next time. Yan. So, mainit din. Tsaka, magla-last minute shopping pa kami. Meron pa kaming 10 kilograms na pwedeng ilagay sa luggage. So, tatry namin makapag Don Quixote. Kasi ang daming binili ni Kuya. Although magagaan naman yung bili ni Kuya. Mga chips. Bulky lang. So, I don't know kung saan siya kakasya. Ngayon. Hindi naman pwedeng buksan yun, diba? So, dun sa last Don Quixote na pinuntahan kasi namin, naubos na lahat. Ang daming bumibili. Kahit anong gabi na, no? Ang dami pa rin. Puro tourist, ang haba ng pila. And, ang daming tourist din dito. Well, everywhere naman siguro in Japan. Pero siguro yung mga napuntahan natin na hindi touristy spot, yung Nagano, tsaka yun sa Hokkaido, yung Hakodate. Meron, pero hindi ganyan karami. Parang dun sa, eto para siyang
Nico, actually konti lang din. Although konti lang kasi yung transportation, kaya medyo crowded sa ibang lugar.
Oo.
Limited yung choices of transportation. But Nico is good.
Yep, that's true. So, mas marami na talaga tayong napuntahan na lugar dito sa Japan. Kunyari, babalik tayo sa Fukuoka. Ano pang gagawin natin? dito. Feeling ko kung pagkain yung hanap mo, mas maganda pa rin ang Tokyo.
Tokyo, Osaka.
Tokyo or Osaka. Yung sinasabi nilang ang ramen dito, ito naman talaga yung ano,
You can buy that. You have that in Osaka and Tokyo.
oo, yung birth of original ramen daw ng Japan. Actually, sa Hakata or Fukuoka, right?
Sa Tonkotsu.
Yung tonkotsu. Dun sa Osaka kasi, tsaka sa Tokyo, you can eat variety of, merong sardines. Basta, parang, yun. Kaya hindi talaga, eto pang na to, mga explorer na to, mga, or kasi nga, may ino-offer naman din na murang ticket. Yung Cebu Pacific. Compared going to Tokyo, tsaka Osaka, mas mahal yung ticket nila. So, kaya marami rin dito. Siguro hindi lang hindi lang ganun karaming Pinoy. Hindi compared sa Tokyo at saka Osaka na kanina yung nakasalubong natin nagpicture sa atin, mga Pinoy yun.
Yeah.
Sa hotel din meron tayong kasama. Family rin sila, 'di ba? Masarap din yung group tour talaga. Okay? Walang pila.
Walang pila?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Mukhang mapapamahal na sa akin ang
Kaya mo ba ng pila? You're not a real Japanese if you don't like lining up. Baka kasi hindi to popular here kasi nga pinupuntahan nila dito ramen. Diba? Yep. So, ayan. Sakura kami.
Again, this is the first time na hindi kami pumila.
And also, ang dali niya palang
Hanapin. And then it's so
Hindi siya yung-
convenient. Even the Don Quixote.
ba't pa tayo nagpakahirap sa Tenjin?
Oo nga.
Ang layo. Pagod kami maglakad.
Although, the only good thing about Tenjin is Gyokatsu mo tumura.
Yan, sige.
Okay, so order mo na. Ayan.
Okay, ano yung orderin natin? Ang hirap, nasa taas. So, pili tayo, ha? Ito mo.
See if they have also the...
Kakaiba yung tura.
There's the fatty tuna.
Okay, so I'll try muna tong patty tuna. Medyo iba siya sa normal na itsura ng patty tuna na kinakain namin. Pag nasa Tokyo tayo or, di ba? Color-wise, it's different. Okay, so another one, this is the Wagyu daw. So, kaya ayoko pa umorder ng sashimi. Huhusgahan ko muna. Baka kasi, pero may dapat malapit naman sila kasi may dagat naman dito, di ba? Yep. Okay naman. Ayos naman. Tingnan ko. Pumunta si MJ Sakura para kumain ng corn chicken. Popcorn chicken. Ayan. Thank you, Papa God, for the food. Hindi tayo nakapag-pray. Nag-pray ako, ah.
And then I'll get yung...
Ano yung order ni MJ?
Fried.
Yum daw.
I take your... Ano ka na mention?
Okay, thank you. Reminder. So, we'll try naman ito. Salmon, sushi, with onion on top. So, masarap yan. Ang pati tuna, masarap. Kaya lang masyadong malamig. masyadong malamig yung ano. Lagyan natin yung kay daddy.
Okay, okay.
There you go. Wala mo na. Bilis. Sit down. Sushi. Ay, hindi. Sashimi pala. Puro sashimi. 570. Look at the quality. So excited. 570 yen. Right? I think it's 2 pieces each. We can share. Sashimi. Ang lakas ng ano, wasabi. Wagyu mo, daddy. Ito yung wagyu. So, tig-isa ulit kami. Because sharing is caring. Para mabusog si MJ, in order ko siya ng ramen.
Sarap.
So, salmon naman. With ikura. Maliliit. Ikura yan. Good. Soup is good. Ayaw niya raw to. Sorry na pina-order niya. Potato. Ibigyan pork. Sarap. So, kumirit pa. Ayan, last na to. Busog na ako. Sarap. Pura ko lang to ah. Patisama. Patisama. Ito me because, not because he's full. He just doesn't want me to order another.
Okay, order na naman.
No, it's okay. I'm full. Ayan. Yummy.
Can you make me another?
Oh. So, counting the plates.
One thing.
Sige pa. 4 pa lang, di ba?
Hindi pa lang, one thing. That's fine already.
Dami. Talo ka daw. Cry eh. So, 1. Saucy. Oh, swerte ka. Lucky talaga to. Lagi na nanalo.
I started checking the bad luck now.
Oh, get that. Pin lang naman yan, di ba? Oh, di ba ngayon ah?
This one's good. So I think everything's better here.
Wait, no. It's a bunny. I'm here to rabbit.
So daddy is loving Cocoa now.
Because of the no lines?
No, I want the
He
cat.
doesn't like to fall in line.
Of course.
No, I want the cat.
So, labas na kami. Magdo-donkey pa kami. Yan, nasa donkey kami. Daming flavors ng KitKat dito. Pero last time kasi, hindi rin naman nakain. Royce lang talaga ang gusto nila. So, what's this flavor? What is this? I will get that. One. Let's see. Oh, asan na yung mga candies? There, oh. Matcha. Tea.
That's not candy.
Wow, there's so much, coffee. Ano to, oh? Japan daw. Ano to? Strawberry latte. Try ka natin to. Why not? White mocha, MJ. Oh, ang dami. You can try. They also have caramel, cafe mocha. Ayun, oh. Try natin to. Sakura. Ay, what candy? Okay. So, ang daming mabibili nga sa Don Quixote. Mga pagkain. Baka pwede na to kay kuya. Ano ba to? Pistachio. Yung gusto niya raw yung saan ba yun? Hanapin mo nga. Yung beans, MJ. Hirap din pala kasama yun si kuya. Hindi kasama. Kasi ikaw, ang daming pinapabili. Minta. Mint, yeah. So, they said this is nice. So, I'll get. Daddy, they said this is nice. Let's try.
Minta. Minta.
Minta ba?
You have already?
You don't have candy yet.
You want it?
Yap, nakabalik na kami sa hotel. Nakarami rin sa Don Quixote ng mga pabili. Puro pabili. Hindi yun pasabay, ano lang, pangkain. Pang personal consumption. Mga products here. Pero, nakapagkura naman kami. Sabi ni Daddy, natutuwa siya dito. Kasi, unlike other places in Japan na sobrang laging haba ng pila, dito, for the first time, hindi kami pumira sa kura. Dati, pag magkukura ka, 2 to 3 hours waiting time. And also, hindi rin kami pumila sa Don Quixote. Ang konti rin ng tao. Tapos, sa mga stations, hindi rin ganun ka-crowded. So, kung gusto nyo ng hindi masyadong matao, although kasi weekdays ngayon, maybe this one is good. Anong station nga yung pinuntahan natin na meron ng kura? Nakasu Kawabata. So, yun. Sa red line, that's going to the airport yata na direction, no?
Kung galing ka dito, papuntang Tenjin.
Papuntang Tenjin pala. Ito pala yung papuntang babalik. Okay. So, papuntang Tenjin na direction. Baba sa Nakasu Kawabata. Yan dun yun. Dun, nandun na yun. Sa third floor, nandun yung kura. Tapos, sa basement, second floor. I think second floor. Second floor, doon yung Don Quixote. Although, tingin ko, mas mahal yung Don Quixote doon compared doon sa Tenjin na pinuntahan namin. Kasi, parang titingnan ko yung mga binili, parang a little bit higher, 10 yen, 20 yen, ganun na difference. Eh, nandun ka na, di ba? Compared na, papunta ka pa ng Tenjin, maglakad ka. So, okay na yun. Nakakuha naman kami ng 5% discount na coupon plus tax-free. So, do sa Tenjin na Don Quixote, hindi kami sinabihan na may 5% pala na coupon kapag nag-download ka nung coupon sa web. So, makakuha ka ng additional. Yung Don Quixote discount coupon, search mo lang yun. Tapos, pakita mo yung barcode. So, you'll get extra 5% discount. Ayun. So, mostly naman binili namin noodles. Yung favorite na noodles ni MJ na instant ramen. Dati meron sa SNR. For some reason, nawala na. Yun yung mga binili namin. Tapos, mga chocolates, candies. Yan. Yung mga hindi mo mabibili sa Pilipinas or pag binili mo, sobrang mahal. Ayun. So, hintay lang kami. Mag-empake kami kasi yung mga binili namin, kailangan namin ilagay sa luggage. 10 kilos pa yata yung pwede. So, i-weigh lang namin lahat ngayon para sure na hindi kami magmo-more than 10 kilos. So far naman, okay pa yung luggages namin. Wala naman masyado binili. For the first time, walang shopping. Yun nga lang, walang shopping masyado talaga dito. Walang temptation. So, gala lang. And, yun lang.